My name is Taylor and this is Simon, and we did our kitchen and our bathroom remodel with collaborative construction. We chose Collab basically from word of mouth. My future in-laws used them for their full house reno and had a great experience.
It was really seamless working with Collab. They had a very good single point of contact that everything flowed through. They were quick to respond to any questions, any inquiries.
They got everything done on time. It honestly is amazing. The bathroom is astounding. I love having counter space. I love just having like a finished space that's beautiful and functional. And the kitchen, they blew me out of the water, honestly, with it.
Some of the really standout items were the appliance garage that's hidden, the functionality of even corners in our cabinets, as well as the seamlessly integrated dishwasher.
I'd recommend Collab mainly for a lot of the reasons I've already said. They are very respectful to deal with. They're very respectful of your space. They'll make sure that they protect everything as they're going around.
They're upfront about everything from pricing, timeline. They're straightforward about any issues. They're not going to try and hide anything from you.
It was really awesome to have people that were so good in their fields and knew who to reach out to and who to work with, and just help you take that stress away while giving you the house of your dreams.